Hey guys, JD here with the Yamaha FX SVHO WaveRunner, and today I'm going to show you how to turn your handlebars from this to this for only about $25. When I got the ski home from the dealer, I realized that the factory handlebars had been put on crooked and looked terrible, so I began to take them apart, and after getting all this plastic off, I decided just to leave it all off. Since I had just bought this brand new ski, I didn't have the budget to drop $1,500 on an aftermarket steering system, so I tried to figure out what I could do to spruce up the factory one. So I'll take you back a little bit. What I did is I like these hooks here. I like having these attachment points. So with a couple of spacers, I was able to reuse this piece, and then I just put some of the stainless hardware back in to fill these empty bolt holes. Now that left me with, like a beach cruiser style handlebar. So I added this anodized billet crossbar here. This is only $10 from the internet, and I'll show you how to get this. This is a 22mm bar. It comes in like 5 different colors. They actually had blue, and I did order the blue one, and I ordered the silver one. I ended up going with black just because, the black kind of matched this, and I thought the blue was going to look really cool, but so I went with the black. And this is, again, it's only $9. It's a generic handlebar brace. So then I ordered this handlebar pad right here. And this is the perfect size. This is the one you need. I've ordered stuff from this company before, Factory FX. They have licensed products. You'll see some of these online that are just aftermarket, and the text tends to be blurry. And they look like crap. So this is an official 7.5-inch mini conventional standard handlebar pad. It is made in China, but this is a licensed product. And I'll show you how it looks. This is what it looks like with the Factory FX handlebar pad in place. So there's my Ultra 310. And that was an OEM jet ski pad. And you can see it's got stitching along the edges as well. And whereas this from Factory FX, there's no stitching on the edges, it's just open plastic, so. But I think it does look pretty good. It looks better than just the bar. Behind the scenes, I've actually purchased quite a few performance parts for this FX, and I will be installing them over the next couple videos. So I chose to invest my money in that rather than in the handlebar assembly. Of course, this is what everybody sees, so maybe I should have done the opposite, but either way, I think this is a good intermediate solution here. So to get where I am today right here, all I did was buy this $9 crossbar, this $15 pad, and there's a couple zip ties. Again, just under $25 to continue to use my stock handlebar assembly. I've been running this setup now for the past few rides, and it's been working out great. As you can see, it stays in place no problem, but that's because I added a couple layers of grip tape around the handlebar brace so that the foam pad doesn't roll back and forth. Stay tuned for my next video where I show you these brand new Hydra Turf gunnel pads. I added these to my ski just to improve the durability. I didn't want to scratch the paint or the Nano Excel top deck on this, so make sure to check out this video. I installed these pads and give you my full review. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more exclusive jet ski content, only on JD's Waterworld.